Hey guys, how's it going? I hope you're all doing really, really well. Gary, don't. Got a nice random little haul for you today. We went to Deerham today to buy a bed or buy a new mattress, and as we were walking there, Mika was like, my feet are cold, I've got no socks on because we've been swimming, and she had her Crocs on. So I said, right, we'll go on QD and we'll buy you some socks. And it turns out that QD is the same as Home Bargains and B&M and the middle aisle of Lidl. Yeah, I don't know what is going on. I'm trying to embrace the curly girl and my hair is just insane today, but we're just going to breeze past that. So yeah, I've got a QD haul, and then I also went into a health food shop in Deerham, really nice. I think it was called like Grape or something, but it was really nice. And I've got some bits there and I'll show you them as well. So yeah, if you like these kind of random haul videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. Without further ado, let's jump into the shit that I bought that I do not need. The first thing I got was for the kids, and it's like a colouring doodle paper, and I thought it looked really cute. Like, let me try and undo it a little bit and show you. I spent £56 in total, but I don't know how much everything was. It's like a roll of wallpaper that you just stick on your table, and then the kids can colour it in. You like cut off what you want, and then it's just like a nice colouring page for the kids. I just thought that was really fun for them to do. Bandit, get down. Oh, these cats. I got a dumpling mix because I thought, who doesn't like dumplings? I know I sure do. So I got some dumplings. I told you this was random. I got myself some Skinny Dream Rocky Road bars. I love these. They are yummy, super yum, little quick breakfast. I do have other things as well. That's not just my breakfast. That would be crazy. I got some Astonish Toilet Fizz and Fresh Deep Cleaning Foam Action Vegan Pink Peony doodads. I love anything that you can chuck in the toilet that foams, because it foams, it means that I don't have to scrub. So yeah, they're good. Bandit! Bandit! The cats literally do not listen to anything I say. Bandit! I've got one there, and one over there, and they keep knocking my plants off, and I've just seen a bite mark out of one of my plants. I got some dishwasher tablets because we were running low and I forgot to get them the other day. I got some Apple Fresh Fabulosa disinfectant. I haven't even smelled this one. Now, it does look like someone has tipped some of that out already. Oh, it smells good though. That does look like that may have... Probably should have got a bottle from the back of the shelf. Apparently I bought Ben 2 cans of Apple Tango because it's his favourite. I wasn't aware that they were in there. I got 2 lots of massive bin bags because we have a really big bin, and I very, very rarely find bin bags that fit the big bin. But these were 2 for a tenner, which seems a lot. But normally I pay £4 for 20 from Asda, and these were £5 for 50. So these are definitely better value. And they're eco bags, so they're like made from recycled plastic from landfill and all that good stuff. So we've got 2 lots of them. Is that it in that bag? I got a board, like a writing board, because we want to start meal planning more, just because everybody's feeling the crunch at the moment. Like, with electricity and everything going up as much as it is, we are trying to meal plan a month in advance, just so we know what we've got and I can buy in bulk of things. Ben is downstairs with the kids and his parents, and the girls are arguing, so if you can hear Ben shouting at them, they are being supervised by 3 adults. It's just, you know. Fox found these. Fox has an ability that no matter where he is, if he sees Dougie, no matter how small or how briefly he sees it, he will find it. Like, and he saw these and he loves Dougie, so he's going to make some cupcakes. Aria chose some cheddars because these are her favourites. Some freezer bags for the aforementioned pre-cooking of things. The socks that we went in to get for Mika, there's 3 pairs. She's wearing one. There's one there and I don't know where the other pair is. We got Aria some shoes. These are £2 or £1.99. Yeah, meant to be £3. They were £1.99, and they're like Elsa plimsolls for £2. So that's nice. These are another one that Ben picked. Golden Crunch biscuits. I got myself a new mug. I love a glass mug, and this was just a really nice shape. I love a glass mug. I don't know why. Just love a glass mug. That was £1.29. Get a better feel of it without the label on. I just love a glass mug. It just makes me feel fancy. This was like a random pickup thing at the till. Pancake mix. I make my own pancakes. I don't ever use a pancake mix, but I saw this and I was like, oh, they look fun, and they're red velvet. Make red pancakes. We got Aria some socks as well. Really cute. Again, these were like, I think these were £1.99 for 3 pairs. They're just cute little rainbow socks. We got Foxy a little car, because he's well into his little cars at the moment. I got myself this. This was £10.99, reduced to £2.99. And it's like a loaf tin. Zenka is the brand. And it's like a squishy. It looks like there's like, it looks like you can see through it, so I'm very intrigued to see if like liquid will fall through these holes. We'll see. Mika's shouting, as you can hear, because she's being told off. It's a little bit of reality there for you. And then I got this one again for more cake stuff. I want to try and make chocky pucks out of these. I thought that was a fun little shape. Hot and spicy com sticks. That might be nice for guys. Freezer bags. Another car for Fox that I wasn't aware was in there. And then I got a document wallet, because I've got a load of paperwork that I've had to print off for us to take to Canada. So I got that. And that was it from QD. And then the Whole Foods place. Took my own little bag because I remembered. I got some rye bread, because I love rye bread. And this one is chia and flaxseed rye bread. It looks gross, but I promise you it's yummy. Giant chili corn. Mexico, yeah, it's called Grape Tree. Mexican mix. And I think this has got like peanuts. It looks like bits of cashew and corn, and that just looked really yummy. Just thought that looked really nice. I got some organic cacao liquor buttons, which, let's try one and see if they're gross. I'm intrigued. I didn't need these at all. Ugh. Oh, a good case of alcohol. That tastes alcoholic. That's horrible. I haven't got a drink. I have got a drink. Oh my god, that was horrific. Oh, don't recommend those. And then I got these. A shampoo bar, friendly soap, sulfate free, cruelty free, plastic free, preservative free, palm oil free. So a shampoo bar, lavender and geranium. And then I got the conditioner bar as well, natural frizz control. And I thought, well, as I'm doing the curly girl, I thought these might be quite good for curly girl. We'll see. But yeah, that was my little pile of crap that we did not need. Ta-da! Or with a child screaming in the background, so you're welcome with that. You are welcome. Let me know how you are, what you've been up to. Tell me some stuff. Thanks for watching, and I love you, bye.